Namaste, everybody. Good morning. Okay, so what we did last class, anybody remember? Anybody?
We are talking about second qaida. Dha tirkit dhage na dhinna tirkit dhage tinna kena.
First one, did we finish, Parvanji?
Yes, we did, and we had goal to go for 60.
Okay, okay. So let's continue the second Kaida now, basically. So we started just main theme, right? Or we have
Yes,
not done the main theme.
in the end we just one time played it, but not a lot.
Okay, so let's try to probably play it today. What was the speed we were playing this one? What speed we played last time?
I think 50 or 45 something. I don't remember.
55. Okay, but what speed are you practicing? 40, 45 or 50?
Uh, playing. I was playing slowly though. 45 was I was
Okay,
trying.
so let's keep it 45 then, basically. 45 single or 45 double? Sorry for too many questions.
We were trying single so far.
Okay, let's try to play 45 single. We'll play it for 5 minutes. Okay, before that, let's recap. I mean, the Qaida again. So let me share. I hope you guys can see the screen, right? Basically, everybody. Okay, so the Qaida here is in a single speed, if you talk about dha tera kit dha ge na dhin na. So these are first line. Dha tera kit dha ge na dhin na. Tira kita dhage tinna kina. That is your second line. Tira kita dhage tinna. So the first two lines, they are comprising of half of the main theme, which we call as a open baya, right? And then the remaining, which is the magenta color I have shown, which we call as a khali part, right? So that goes as a ta tira kita ta ke na tinna. Now, what is the relation between the first line and the third line, which you observe here? Anybody can think of it? So this is third line and this is the first line. What is the relation between these two lines? Swarnya?
It's open to closed.
Exactly. So it's open baya versus closed baya. And if you compare beat by beat, exactly, if you see from here, right? So if I go any random beat, thin na in the first line becomes thin na, right? Ge na, ge is open baya, na does not have open baya. So wherever there is no open baya will remain as is because na will not change. But ge is open baya, change to k. Here also na will not change because na does not have open baya. So open baya to close baya, that's what the change happens between first line to third line basically. Okay, so let's try to say that with single speed 45 with the Lehra, and then we'll see if we can do it double today. Okay, let's keep that as a agenda that we can do it double today, which is this section 4 to 8 syllable per bit. So I'm keeping the speed 45 to start with. So speed 45 and char occasion. Okay. Scrap it. Tintal, tin, ta, ta, tin. 1, 2, ready, go. Tha, tira, kita, tha, ge, na, dhin, na. Tira, kita, tha, ge, tin, na, ke, na. Tha, tira, kita, ta, ge, na, tin, na. Tira, kita, tha, ge, dhin, na, ge, na. Tha, tira, kita, tha, ge, na, dhin, na. Tira kita tha ge tin na ke na ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita tha ge tin na ge. Keep doing forever. Tha tira kita tha ge na tin na tira kita tha ge tin na ke na ta tira kita ta ke na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge na ta tira kita ta ge na tin na kita ta ge tin na ge na ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge na ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge na ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na. One last time. Ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge na ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na. Double ge na ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na. One more time. Tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge. Back to single da. Tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge na ta tira kita ta na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge. Double tha tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge. One more time. Tha tira kita ta ge na tin kita ta ge tin na ge na ta ke na tin na tira kita ta ge. Back to single tha tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge na ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na tira. Double tha tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge. Back to single tha tira kita ta ge na tin tira kita ta ge tin na ge na ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge na. Double tha tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na. Two times. Ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita. One last time. Single tha tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge na ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge na. Double tha tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge ta tira kita ta ge na tin na tira kita ta ge tin na ge na na. Was that okay? Single, double? Okay. Anybody want to try single and double back to back with Lera? Samarth, go ahead. So this was 45 speed, Samarth.
Okay, I'll just get my letter from my dad.
Okay. Anybody else want to go meanwhile? No one?
I'll go.
Yeah, go ahead, Isha.
Da da, tira, kita,
Can
da.
you use Lera, Ishan?
Okay. Da.
I can't hear your Lera.
Oh, I'll get it from my mom.
Okay. Anybody else who has Lera? You can go.
I can go.
Yeah, good. Good.
Um,
Can't hear your Lera, unfortunately.
can you hear it now?
Yeah.
Da, de, kita, da, de, na, din, na, tira, kita, da, de, din, na, din, na, da, tira, kita, da, din, na, din, na, tira, kita, da, din, na, din, na, da, tira, kita, da, din, na, din, na, tira, kita, da, de, din, na, din, na, din, na, din, na, tira, kita, da, de. Can I start again because it paused accidentally?
Yeah. So it was a little going on. But your single was good. But keep practicing, Sorena. You should be all right. I think if you do a couple more times, I don't think there is a big issue here. You'll be all right. Okay. But just keep practicing with the Lera in the background. I'll come back to you a little later. Ishan, you are okay with the Lera?
What settings should I do?
Sorry?
Settings.
Okay. So what Lera you have? I Lera?
Yeah, I have the same one as you.
Okay. So first is Tintal,
Yeah, I have that.
then Rag Charu Keshi,
Yeah.
then instrument Santur,
Okay. I got that.
speed 45.
Okay.
Okay. Now try.
Oh no, it needs to be louder. I'll start after this cycle.
Yeah.
Da, tira, kita, da, ge, na, din, na, tira, kita, da, ge, din, na, ge, na, da, tira, kita, da, ge, na, din, na, tira, kita, da, ge, din, na, ge, na, da, tira, kita, da, ge, na, ge, da, okay.
No.
I
Double
missed.
was not correct. Double was not correct.
Huh?
Double was not correct.
Yeah, I need to practice double.
Yeah, that's okay. Anybody else want to go? But yeah, Pranav, you go ahead.
I'll start from the next.
Make Lara a little softer. It's too loud.
It's okay?
Little more softer.
Dha tir kit dha ge na dhinna tir kit dha ge tinna ke na ta tir kit da ke na tinna tir kit dha ge dhinna ge na धा तिरकिट धागे ना धिन्ना तिरकिट धागे तिन्ना के ना ता तिरकिट ताके ना तिन्ना तिरकिट धागे धिन्ना के धा तिरकिट धागे ना धिन्ना तिरकिट धागे तिन्ना के ता तिरकिट ताके ना तिन्ना तिरकिट धागे धिन्ना के ना धा तिरकिट धागे ना धिन्ना तिरकिट धागे तिन्ना केना तातिर किटता केना तिन्ना तिरकिट धागे धिन्ना गेना धा.
Okay. First single speed was good. Okay. Second speed you started okay, but then I think later on it was not syncing with the lyra. That is number one observation. The second very important observation is when you are reciting, right? You are reciting as per the beats of the tal. Dha tir, kit dha, ge na, hin na, tir kit, dha ge, tin, which has a more mechanical thought in the when you talk about the mathematics. See, music is way beyond science and mathematics. So if you say dha tir, kit dha, ge na, hin na, mathematically nothing wrong, right? But if I'm scrolling up a little more, if you look at it, what are our phrases? Tha tira kita, tha gena is your phrase, right? Dhinna is a phrase, right? So when we recite, we have to recite as per the flow. Tha tira kita, tha gena. So that dha gena has to be in your one breath, not tha tira, kita dha gena. So you are bifurcating this phrase here basically. Dha tir, kita dha, right? Kita dha, was kita dha as a phrase? No, right? So mathematically you are correct. Your lay wise you are correct. But there is one more step beyond that, which is aesthetics, which is the feel of the composition. It's like a poem, right? Basically. So when a poet is reciting poem with his meaningful thought and appreciation, he may have a different not thought of presenting it, right? That's what we need to learn. Again, this is not simple and easy to get you, but I'm just giving you that what you did is okay to start with, but we need to have a little tweak around to go as per the phrases of the. That's why every time I am teaching a new thing, I always emphasize on the phrases. If you see the title, and that goes high, basically ranking when it comes to reciting, but not compromising the rhythm. Dha, te, dha, te, na, hen, na, te, ra, ki, dha. So the remaining part is easy because that goes 2, 2, 2, 2 here, right? So this tiragita is 2, this dhage is 2, this tinnakena is also in the thought of 2 and 4. But because of this tirakita and dhage, this is what is a little killing part here because dhagena is a 3-syllable phrase, not 4 syllable. And our zati is chatusar zati. So we are going with the even number 2, 4, 2, 4, something like that, right? So have you understood what should do and what we should not?
Yes, Satish, last time you explained that you just need practice. That's all.
I know, but again, I just want to reiterate that I'm not missing, and then you're not probably taking that as a granted. Oh, that should be okay. No, that is not.
Yeah,
To start with, yes, because that's the first step. You have to go somewhere. But going to the next step, we need to probably push back a little more and get embedded into the thought of the phrases, basically. So again, I'll say one more time. Dha, te, dha, ge, na. So that dha, ge, na has to have one entity. Not tha, tir, kit, dha, gena. Now, was there a gena phrase? No, there was not gena phrase. Was there a kita dha phrase in the thought of here? Where is my cursor? It's very difficult to find. Yeah. Was there kita dha phrase? No. Tira kita was kita part of tira kita. Dha was from dha gena, right? But I mean, again, the lay rhythm was okay. Second speed, double speed was little off. So pay attention to that again, probably in further. but first speed was good in the Lera. Okay. Samarth, are you ready with the Lera?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I can't hear your Lera, Samarth. Your mic is mute.
Sorry. Can you hear it now?
Yeah.
Da tira kita da ke na din na tira kita da ke din na ke na da tira kita da ke na din na tira kita da ke din na ke na da tira kita da ke na din na tira kita da ke din na ke na.
Double is not correct, Samarth. Double is not correct.
Huh?
Double is not correct. Single was okay. Double you messed up in the Dhatiragad itself, basically.
Oh.
So if you look at it, the double speed guys here, this Dhatirakita Dha is your one beat. Dhatirakita Dha ge na din na. Tirakita Dha ge tin na ke na. Dhatirakita Dha ke na tin na. Tirakita Dha ge. So if you miss the first beat, you will not able to probably cope it up going further in this direction at all. No. There will be a lot of hurdles in that thought. But single speed was okay, Samar. So make sure you practice the double speed.
Can I try again?
Okay. Start directly double speed, basically.
Okay. Da, tira, kita. Sorry. I was doing double speed. Da, tira, kita, da, ke, na, din, na, tira, kita, da, ge, din, na, ke, na, da, tira, kita, da, ke, na, din, na, tira, kita, da, ge, din, na, ke,
Still
na.
not correct, sir. Samarth. Still off, probably. What speed are you saying?
60?
No. That's the trouble, right? We are doing everything at 45 speed.
Oh, okay.
If you bump it up, if you bump it up more, you need to bump it up your saying speed also, right? So don't go with 60 to start with, I would say. That could be a little more risky to go with 60 speed. Okay?
Can I try again? Just one more time.
Yeah, okay, go ahead, try.
45.
Do directly double.
Okay. Da, tira, kita, da, ge, na, din, na, tira, kita, da, ge, din, na, ke, na, da, tira, kita, da, ke, na, din, na, tira, kita, da, ge, din, na, ge, na, da, tira, kita, da, ge, na, din, na, tira, kita, da, ge, din, na, ke, na, da, tira, kita, da, ke, na, din, na, tira, kita, da, ge, din, na, ke, na, da.
That was correct. Good. So don't speed up probably more 60 at this time, basically. Make sure you practice single double and 45 or maybe maximum go to 50, but don't go more than 50 to start with. Okay? Kedar, you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Clap. Da, tira, kita, da, ge, na, din, na, tira, kita, da, ge, din, na, ke, na, da, tira, kita, da, ge, na, din, na, tira, kita, da, ge, din, na, ge, na, da, tira, kita, da, ge, na, din, na, tira, kita, da, ge, din, na, ke, na, da,
tere kita ta ke na tin na tere kita ta ke na ta tere kita ta ke na tin na tere kita ta ke na ta tere kita ta ke na tin na tere kita ta ke na ta.
Okay. So what do you think? What was your overall impression? Was it all good or was there any issues or what do you think?
I think I went a little too fast in double speed.
You were fast or you were slower?
Slower.
Yeah, so you need to probably bump it up your speed more basically. First, single speed was okay. Single speed was not a problem. So I think most of you have trouble with the double speed, I think, most of you. Okay, which is okay, and that's what the learning curve is, right? So let's try to do double speed maybe 10 more times back to back. How about that? Is that okay? Only double speed. We'll just do it 10 times, 40 minutes. And at your home also make sure you practice double speed because that's what is a little hurdle and getting factor here basically. Can you hear Lyra? Okay. Then, we just do the double speed to start, okay? 10 times. This part, this section we are doing it. Then, start. Tera kita dha, ge, na. Tera kita dha, ge, ten, na, ke, na, ta. Tera kita ta, ke, na, tin, na. Tera kita dha, ge, din, na, ge, na. Tha, tera kita dha, ge, na, din, na. Tera kita dha, ge, tin, na, ke. Ta, tera kita ta, ke, na, tin, na. Tera kita dha, ge, din, na, ge, na. Tha, tera kita dha, ge, na, din. Tera kita dha, ge, tin, na, ke. Ta tera kita ta ke na tinna tera kita dhage dhinna ge ta tera kita dhage na dhinna tera kita dhage tinna ke ta tera kita ta ke na tinna tera kita dhage dhinna ge na da tera kita dhage dhinna tera kita dhage tinna ke ta tera kita ta ke na tinna tera kita dhage dhinna ge dha tera kita dhage na dhinna tera kita dhage tinna ke ta tera kita ta ke na tinna tera kita dhage dhinna ge ta tera kita dhage na dhinna tera kita dhage tinna ke ta tera kita ta ke na tinna tera kita dhage dhinna dha tera kita dhage na dhinna tera kita dhage tinna ke ta tera kita ta ke na tinna tera kita dhage dhinna ge kita dhage na dhinna tera kita dhage tinna ke ta tera kita ta ke na tinna tera kita dhage dhinna ge dha tera kita dhage na dhinna tera kita dhage tinna ke ta tera kita ta ke na tinna tera kita dhage dhinna ge na dha tera kita dhage na dhinna tera kita dhage tinna ke ta tera kita ta ke na tinna tera kita dhage dhinna ge dha tera kita dhage na dhinna tera kita dhage tinna ke ta tera kita ta ke na tinna tera kita one last time dha tera kita dhage na dhinna tera kita dhage tinna ke ta tera kita ta ke na tinna tera kita dhage dhinna ge dha tera kita dhage na dhinna tera kita dhage tinna ke ta tera kita ta ke na tinna tera kita dhage dhinna ge dha. But as a homework, make sure you recite with the lira at this double speed. Unless you recite, you will not able to get the lay rhythm. Unless you get the lay rhythm, you will not able to play it. And unless you play this double, we will not able to go to the variation. So this all link is there basically. So make sure that you practice reciting first so that you get the lay. Once you get the reciting, then we need to play it basically at the 45 double. And once you do that, then only we can start doing these variations. Otherwise, we'll stuck to this basically forever. So the more you practice this week to get you up to 45 double, I think better for all of us. Okay. Now, did we play last week with these or we didn't play at all last week? Parvanji?
We played one time.
Okay. So let's play now this single main theme for maybe 5 minutes or even probably for the 10 minutes, single speed, okay? But make sure at least you get the single speed in your thought, okay? So let me stop sharing and we'll play it maybe 10 minutes, I think. 10 minutes would be ideal. Now make sure everybody show me your tabla when you play with me, okay? So that I can watch what you're playing. Just give me one second. Let me arrange. Okay, so let's play it with Lyra. So 45 single is okay, right? Or can we go a little faster for single speed? What do you guys think? Can we go a little faster for single? Maybe 60, 65, 70 even, or maybe 75. What do you guys think? 75 is okay? Saranya, okay, 75? Kedar? Okay, so let's do 75 single. So from 75, you need to travel only up to 90 to make it 45 double. That's what your homework will be. Okay? We're playing single at 75, okay? Give me 1 second, okay? Something is not happening. Okay, be ready. Keep that. Kaida, single. Okay, so just to confirm, everybody is okay with this speed, or this is little faster?
It's too fast for me. I think I don't remember the whole syllabus.
I think we should go a little slower.
Go a little slower. Okay, so what about 60 then? Basically, let's try 60. Ah, in, ah, ah, in, ah, ah, in, ah, ah, tira, tira, ah, eh, 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 ah, eh, ah, tira, tira, ah, eh, Just confirming everybody. Is this doable to everybody? Or still faster?
This was okay for me.
Okay. What about Ishan? You're okay. Saranya, you're okay?
I think it's a little fast.
Oh, a little fast. Okay. Kedar, what about you? Yeah, okay. Samarth, what is your question?
It's not really a question, but like I could play it, but like I didn't memorize the phrase. I didn't memorize the variation. Yeah.
Okay. So you can write it down probably. Dha tira kita dha ge na dhinna. Dha tira kita dha ge na dhinna. Tira kita dha. Or let me share. You can take a screenshot quickly. So that way you can probably keep it on the screen. So this is what we are playing. Dha tira kita dha ge na dhinna. Tira kita dha ge tinna ke na. Ta tira kita ta ke na tinna. Tira kita. Or you should have access to online doc also probably, Samarth. You can open the online doc basically.
Where do we find the doc? Because I can't access this doc.
The link is in your WhatsApp group description.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So Saranya, you want to go with 55, 5 more count less,
Yeah, I think that would.
or you can push it for a while.
I think I can try 60 again.
Okay. Okay, that's okay then. Let's continue with the 60 basically altogether. You can just push yourself a little. I'm sure you'll able to probably get this, Saranya. Okay. But if not, just stop me after 3 or 4 cycles if you couldn't do it. Okay. Din, din, ah, din, din, ah, din. Samar, make your mic mute, Samar. Ah, din, ah, din, da, din, da, ah, din, ah, din, da, din, da, ah, din, 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 da, din, da, ah, din, ah, ah, din, da, din, da, ah, din. Ah, continue. Continue for a while. Continue couple more times. One last time. Was this exhausted or was it okay? Let's go me one by one. Swaranya, you're okay or you're struggling?
Yeah, I just need to practice more so I mess up less.
Okay. Ishan, what do you think?
Just need to practice a little more.
Okay. Samarth, you are okay. Parmananji,
Speed was fine. Sometimes forgetting the syllable. That's
that's yeah. And what about Kedar?
Need to practice.
Okay. My suggestion is you have two kaidas from your exam, those who are appearing for exam. Right? This is Tirakita Kaida and one was Theta Kaida, right? So both the Kaida you should play every day at least 5 to 10 minutes, both the Kaida. That is should be part of your daily practice. Otherwise, don't expect that miracle will happen in the exam. And also your exam could be somewhere in the 15th of November, that time space. We have just 2 months left. Okay, so make sure you guys start practicing if you have not already started. If you already started, good luck, continue that. Don't stop it basically. Once in a while I can understand, but by and large every day make sure you practice these katas. Okay, now do you want to continue the variation or let's probably wait this week so that you can get probably better speed next week and we can do the variation next week? I'm okay with what are your thoughts. What do you guys think? Let's do variation next week or you want to do variation today?
Satish,
Yes.
variation for the tit one also we did not do it. We went to second one, Tirkit one.
Sorry?
The variations for the first Qaida also we did not do that yet.
We didn't play the first Qaida also?
We played the first Qaida but not the variations.
Not, sorry, not?
Variations, right? There are few variations of it.
Oh, we have not done variation for first Qaida?
I don't think we did the variation.
Oh, I thought we finished first Qaida. That's what I was under impression.
No,
Oh, okay. Let's do that. So how many variations we did in the first Qaida? Only main theme we did, not the variation at all?
I did main theme.
Well, we
And
talked about the variations, but we didn't actually play them.
Right.
and what speed you are playing the first Qaida? Same 45 single double?
Yeah.
Or that also you can't play 45 double?
We pushed for 60. For main theme, pushed for going 60.
Okay, so let's play the first Qaida main theme 60, probably couple minutes. Okay, is that okay? So I'm just recapping the first Qaida. We'll play the first Qaida 60 single speed. So that means both the Qaida you need to get to the 45 double speed, basically, preferably. But let's play the single. So tita dhage dinna, dha tita dhage tinna ke na, tita take tinna, dha tita dhage dinna. So we'll be playing this section probably. If you're seeing it on the screen, let's play this section probably. Okay, single speed at 60. Or can we go a little faster than 60 for Theta Gaida? What do you guys think? Let's try a little faster, maybe 75.
65 would be.
65. What about others?
We were like practicing 60 double speed.
60 double you, that means you are too fast. I mean, we are talking about 60 single probably at this time, not 60 double, right? Or you
I
guys are talking about 60 double?
asked for 60 double.
Oh, 60 double, okay. Then let's do 60 double. Samarth, probably you can take a screenshot because you may not be having that Kaida. So I just highlighted it, Samarth.
Oh.
So tita dhage dinna dha tita dhage tinna kena
Can I write
dhage.
it down in my notebook?
Okay, write down quickly. Tita dhage dinna dha tita dhage tinna kena tita take tinna dha tita dhage dinna kena. Let's try to play. I mean, while Samarth is writing, then I'll stop sharing it once page written down probably. Okay. So let's play at 60. Samarth, hopefully you have written Samarth. Okay. Okay. Please unmute Samarth. Tita tha ke tinna dha tita tha ke tinna ke tita tha ke tinna dha tita Samarth. Tinna ke tita tha ke tinna dha tita tha ke tinna. So was that double doable or the earlier single was your double? I mean, I'm a little confused. Which speed is doable, the first one or the second one to everybody?
I think you were asking for the second one for everyone to go for.
So where everybody is comfortable to play the second speed or you are not there? Swarna, you're okay? Okay, what about Ishan?
I'm okay, but I just mess up a little bit sometimes.
It's okay, messing up is fine. As long as you are pulling yourself, it should be okay.
Okay.
What about Kedar and Parmananji? You are okay? Okay, so let's play it at least couple minutes basically, 2-3 minutes basically, okay? We'll play double speed basically. one last time. Was that doable or little on a struggling part? Swaranya, you're okay? You're okay, perfect. Kedar was okay. Ishan was okay too. Perfect. Parmanj, you're okay?
Slightly, yeah, not a lot. I mean,
Okay. So as a homework, probably everybody make sure you practice main thing for both the kaidas. So this one 60 double and earlier probably 60 single. But then earlier one try to see if you can get to 70, 75, 80 single. So more you practice, probably the more better speed you will get it probably the next kaida. So the next week we will try to see the variations probably for those kaidas basically. And again, next week onwards, we'll start in person. Those who want to come in person, you are most welcome. Those who want to keep online, that's okay, up to you basically. But in person is open from next week onwards at the same time. Okay. Any question before we stop? But again, remember the day your exam could be on 15th November, that time frame. Exam will be online. Okay. It's not that you need to come to center to appear for exam. So Swaranya, if you are in college somewhere, you can still appear from there itself basically. Okay. Only thing is that you should have a tabla with you. But the key element is the main two kaidas, teacher and Tiragita kaida. You make sure you practice every day. That should be part and parcel. And again, not 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, or 5 times. The target to practice for 5 minutes. Once you start practicing 5 minutes, then you start probably getting it up in a better tone, better clarity, better lay. Everything will start developing over the period, basically. Okay. Any question, Ishan?
Yeah, when is tomorrow is next week's class on Sunday or Saturday?
Saturday, right? We have moved to Saturday, right?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Samarth, any question? Okay. Parmanji, any question? No question. Okay. Kedar, no question. And Swaranya, your question. So, okay. So I'll stop for today, guys. Thank you again. I'll see you next week at the same time. Okay. Namaste. And wish you all a very happy Ganesh
Thank you.
Chaturthi.
Namaste. Bye.
It's a Ganesh festival happening. So wish you all very best. May Lord Ganesh probably bring you happiness, prosperity, joy, everything basically, and enjoy it. Okay.
yeah.
Namaste.